Isera ria magavana kaunti-ini ya Kilifi nirio rikonorete muigwana mabira uria magavana ya makoretwo makiririirie kwa ihinda iraya makiuga uria marona ta makoretwo makioyota andu matari na kiene na gwitio mabaki ni kamiti ya kuthurima kigina gia kaunti iria niyo CPAC makiuga gutire bindi makaringithia maguru mao kamiti-ini iyo ginya mutugo ucio uciriro.
The council has resolved that governors will not appear before the Senate Public Accounts Committee until these concerns are addressed through a structured engagement between the leadership of the council and the Council of Governors.
Kugerera muikariri gite wa Kajeno Ahmed Abdullahi magavana maugite ni manogetio ni maita maingi mare mathiaga kamiti-ini ya uthurimi wa tabarira cia ukuria wa matura iria niyo CPIC na riu marithiaga o rita rimwe gucokia ciuria.
In the committee of CPAC of the Senate, those 4 senators know themselves, and we are saying they are involved in extortionists, being extortionists. They harass governors, they intimidate them, they even use political maneuver.
Agicokeria magavana ya muikariri gite wa kamiti ya CPAC Moses Kajwang orite magavana ya mundu kuruta wira uria ari naguo wa kuonania atenetete ibaki ndomereri-ini yake ikithoma. Magavana marenda kuga no ugwikara kamiti-ini no wagirirwo guka na uria agirirwo kurio ciuria. Ndire ndona cira wa mwikoiro agiatha igoti uria rikumucirithia. Kajwang athiete na mbere kuga maya mokite thutha wa kumburanio kwa wici wa kigina na ubuthiri moru wa indo cia muingi thirikari-ini cia matura uria umuriketwo ni mutari wa mathabu na nyumba cia moboro. Tukithie na mbere tukumumburania tutekumaiguira tha. Ibinda-ini riu nayo kamiti ya Senate ya kuthurima mabuthiro ma thirikari cia matura CPIC ni athite magavana aria mang'athīria ciikaro ici gwikinya muthi wa Jumaa gutari gutira.
We have not been hard on them. It is the constitution that has been hard on them. And you know, Chair, they say the guilty are always afraid. Most of these governors who are running away, including of Nandi, are facing corruption allegations. And that is why they hide.
The action of governors not coming here to clear their audit queries, given that these audit queries will unlock money to the public, is directly an act of making sure that our counties don't get money.
Muikariri gite wa kamiti no Godfrey Ototi ugite uboro uria umakinyeire ni ati magavana ya mari Isera kaunti-ini ya Kilifi akiuga ni undu wa giconoko kuona ni maratogeria Isera ugukira guka mbere ya Senate ugutariria uria makoretwo makibuthira kigina kia muingi.
They must understand it is the timelines we are trying to beat. It is not witch hunt, it is not punishment, and based on what Senator Cherargei has said, that the agenda in Kilifi is to discuss Senate. I think it's going to be very unfortunate. Maseneta
ya merite aruna ao magavanati ni wega mamenye matiukaga mbere yao niguo mathuthurio na macambithio kuri muingi indi mokaga tondu niguo gatiba imathite. Ngeribotera Inooro TV kuma bunge ya bururi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitago Masi Wadia wa Muriithi.
Follow the rules in the standing orders.